Okay, so guys, very warm welcome once again this morning to all of you uh, in this interactive session, I can say, because we are going to work on the lab. Yeah, uh, no theory this time, just working inside the lab, understanding how the data flows from ingestion to the visualization. Yeah, you will see the whole step today. It is not the end, it is just beginning, right? We are just going to see the overview, how we proceed, what type of code we write inside the notebook to transform our data. Yeah, everything we will see, right? And if you want, you can also practice with me. Yeah, it's not a big thing. If you all are ready with your laptop and you are already logged in inside the Fabric environment, you can also practice with me. If you want to only watch uh, this session, you can watch it, you can watch the recording later, and you can practice one. Okay guys, so before we start, I think you have some questions. If you have, please go ahead and ask the question, then we will start the session.
Yes, sir. I had a question.
Yeah, please.
Actually, yesterday Yati asked a very good question. That like we are creating two lake houses. One is source and the other one is destination. Then
Correct.
you
Correct.
reply that the destination one is to store the data, retain the data, because every day we are replacing the data on the source. So
Yeah.
is it possible
Please go ahead.
to store the data in the source itself and do not create the destination one and then keep on appending the data in the source and
So
retain it?
generally, from the readability point of view, from the data organization point of view, we never touch the source. Understand it. Okay? Source should be as is. We should not touch it, right? This is the, I can say, architecture which we follow in the real-time industry. Source will be only source. So you will not going to perform any transformation on that. To append the data, obviously, you have to perform some transformation, right? You have to take some steps on that. And what it will do, you will lose the metadata, right? Understand it. Let's say a file comes in the source lakehouse. Let's say we have a source lakehouse. Yeah. Inside that, you are getting daily file. Once a file arrives, it has different information, and that is called metadata. Have you ever seen a metadata of a file? For example,
Yeah, the structure of
location,
the file.
yeah, the information of the file, who has created, when it was landed. Yeah, when system works, there is a column called sys updated, updated. I'm sorry, let me just make it like this, sys updated. Before that, we have a column called sys created. Yeah. Then we also have a column called process add. There are several columns which are actually generated when a file's arrived by the system itself. What will happen if you updating it, right? Let's say a previous file I have, right? Then a new file just appended it. Yeah. So we will be having the creation date of the earliest file. If I say when this file was created, so you will say, okay, this file was created at the very first time when it was landed there, right? Yeah. So it will lose some real-time information if you keep updating the same file. You will have the created, that will be the very first creation, Updated will be the latest update. Process will be the latest update. You will lose the historical information. Historical information. Yeah, for these type of columns. Getting a point?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So you don't know from the data engineering point of view, from data architect point of view, or data analyst point of view, what information is being used, right? So you have to keep everything ready. I mean to say everything should be there. So what will happen when you take a single file daily here and overwrite it whenever a file comes in, and once your data pipeline works here, it will fetch the information of the latest file, all the information, even metadata, right? So you will have all the information for the latest file. So probably you need to see as a data engineer when these files arrive and what all information it has. Getting my point?
Yes, I got it.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
please see, that is called distributed system. If you remember, we already discussed, do not try to do everything at the single instance. Always try to make it separate so that it will be faster. It has all the information intact. It will not lose anything. And see what happens. Let me just tell you one thing. We always think from our perspective, right? Yeah, when you're thinking is, you're just thinking from the your perspective. Why we are creating this? We can do it directly, right? Why we are doing it? Why don't you think from other people perspective? And that is the business mind, right? Sorry guys, you have to be a thinker or logic creator who should focus not only for you, it should be focused for entire organization. So you don't know how and what information is being used by which person. So you cannot lose anything. Just understand. This is from the organization point of view. Yeah. Getting point. Is that satisfy your question, or still you have confusion on that?
No, I got that. No, I got that. So thank you.
Yeah. So never work on the source. Okay. Just go back to the cloud architecture. We have the physical server, right? But we never work on the physical server. Why? Can anybody tell me? Anyone? What do you think? Why we do not work on the physical servers directly? Why we have the hypervisor there? Why we have the virtual machines there? Why we have the hyper layer there? The virtual layer there? Why we do not directly connect with the physical data? There is a
So that
single line answer. Yeah,
so
please
that we can retain the actual data, and whenever required, like disaster happens or anything, we will have like actual data on the physical server and then move it to those distributed.
that is called data redundancy, right? If we say we can have a disaster and data can be recovered, that is called data redundancy, and we are creating the duplicate copies, I can say, right? 3 copies of the data for each of the zone and the regions as well. Yeah. So one server, 3 copies for the data center, 3 copies for the availability zones, 3 copies for the regions. There are 9 copies, right, for your single data. That is cloud architecture, right? I'm not saying right now here in Fabric is unified. You do not have any duplicate over there. But in the cloud, we work like that. Okay, so just understand, we do not touch the original data so that it will be available for all of the people. One. Second thing, for the security point of view, we should not touch the original one. It should be as is, wherever it is. You think you have your source data. See, every seconds or every milliseconds, your source data is not being modified, right? or not changing. It is just a time frame where your data is being landed, maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, or maybe on batch run in the midnight, you have a new latest file there, right? Yeah. So that time span may be useful and beneficial for other people as well. So I cannot go ahead and change or modify my original data. Is it clarifies or not? Guys, anyone, just if you have any confusion, any question, please let me know. And that is very good question, if I say, right? Because see, this time you are thinking from an analyst point of view. This time you are thinking from a developer point of view, right? Now think from an architect point of view. If you are working as a data architect, you have to provide the solution. And if you are providing a solution like this, probably customer will not be happy because you are directly touching your physical data. So always keep these smaller things in my mind, that whenever we are proposing a solution, that solution fulfills every aspect of the customer, right? I mean to say every requirement. It should not break anything. Even it should be more efficient, more organized, and more powerful. You will be, guys, you will be. Once you are working, you will be. Okay, any other question, guys? Anyone else? Shweta, is that okay? Or anything? If you have anything, please
No,
go.
sir. No, sir. Got the answer.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So if I ask you, why are you not directly working on the source data, what would you say? Just try to give the answer.
To I would say just to retain the actual data for the for security, so that we can have the actual data whenever required with all the metadata and details.
Yeah, that is a good answer. Yeah. Guys, see, I will always encourage all of you to speak. Yeah. When you speak, you think, and when you think, your brain works. When your brain works, it will be more powerful because it generates the electricity. Your blood flows. So it's good for health point of view. It's good for knowledge point of view. It's good for growth point of view. Agreed or not?
Yes, agreed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So who is speaking? Sahabi Alam.
Subhash Kumar.
Subhas. Yeah. So Subhas, why we do not touch the physical data? Is that only security or something else needed there?
Security is the always a prior reason, but we should not touch the actual data because uh, uh,
Yeah. Yeah. Just go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
like
Yeah. Please go ahead. I'm sorry.
I missed it. Like
That is the reason, Subhas. I want you guys to speak. Please deliver.
yes,
Otherwise, you will be blank in front of interviewer. Be confident. You have enough knowledge. Yeah, you have an
yes,
ocean of the knowledge. Just pick up something from there and speak. Do not think what you are speaking. Just speak. What do you think in your language? Just speak. More you speak, more you will be polished.
because raw data should not be changed because we should have raw data as we receive the data. because it could be there could be insights which are not retained after change the data.
Mm-hmm.
That is why we should not make changes in the raw data.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your, your statement. Anyone else want to try while I'm driving, drawing the architecture, how we are going to proceed today? Anyone else? Who else is there? Nitesh, Subham?
Yes,
When
sir.
I
Security is
was
a major thing that also the data has distributed in multiple zone, multiple areas. So it should not replace or work on the base data or the server data. That is the, I think, main reason to do not touch the, main data.
exactly. Thanks. Just give me one, guys. This should be coming here. This should be coming. Okay. That's fine, guys. That's okay. Thank you. Nitesh, you want to say something?
Sir, about raw data.
Why? The question is why we do not work directly on the raw data.
Sir, because of the data integrity, because it is
Data
the
integrity. That's
yeah,
the correct word. Data integrity. I like that.
yeah, and the second could be sir, second according to me it should be data recovery. Suppose we done something wrong transformation, so we can go back to the original source for the data. And
Exactly. So, guys, what happens in the real-time scenario? We also have archived workspace, yeah, where we archive the data as well. So, whenever we are replacing our old data, it is not we are deleting the data, yeah, we are archiving it. It is going to the archived workspace. If we need that information in later stage in the working, I can say maybe in the future down the line, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, we can go back to the archive and access that data, right? Okay. Okay, guys. So thank you for uh, just give a moment. Thank you for your statements, guys. Always try to speak as much as you can. More you speak, more you be polished.
sir,
Just give a moment. Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead.
I have
Don't
a question
stop yourself.
like we have created a lake house yesterday. Where we can we find it? Because I'm not able to find it inside my folder.
Okay, no worry. You will be doing it. Okay, so we will creating bronze layer, we will creating the silver layer with some transformation on the bronze data. Yeah, okay, so silver layer would be having the two tables that is called silver customer, and then we'll be having silver sales. Okay, so this is what we are going to do inside the lake house, all these activity. However, the gold layer will be created inside the warehouse, right? So we are not creating the gold layer. Some organization create the gold layer inside the lake house, and then once it is available there, they take that data, inside the warehouse. Once it is ready in the gold layer. However, the best practices says you should create the gold layer inside your warehouse. Yeah, so we will working in the best practice side. Okay, and why it is? See, the raw data as is in the bronze, right? In the form of tables. You perform some cleanliness, you perform some transformation, whatever required to make the data ready inside the silver layer. Once data is ready, now you have to create the final shape of the data that may be aggregated here, that should be available inside the data warehouse. So you can perform the SQL endpoint there, right? So if engineering working there, I mean to say, if a data engineer works there, then these are the places where data engineer works, the lakehouse, right? Now, once the data is available in the gold layer, this is available for the business users. Okay. So, okay. Is that clear now? This architecture, we will working on the gold also. So we will see further. We have guys, please don't write anything on the screen, yeah, because it is distracting the other people, right? Yeah, Nitesh. So we will be creating data warehouse, yeah, where we will be having a different, so probably we can say this is actually gold. Yeah, we will going to create the gold layer there. How we are doing? We will doing a step by step. So we will creating different. I have shared two CSV files with you. One is customer and second one is sales. Now from those files, we are going to create different dimension tables, right? So probably we will be having the dim customer. We'll be having the dim product. Yeah. And let's say we also have a fact sales, right? Fact sales. And then we also have a sales summary table. Sorry, guys. Summary table, right? So all these are table actually, guys. All these are table inside the data warehouse. We were going to create those tables. Then we will be connecting our Power BI with these data. Maybe we will require to create the views as well, right? So I don't know. Let's see if we have enough time. We could create the views as well. Otherwise, we will be anyhow. We are going to work inside each and every aspect of the whole process, right? So is it clear, guys? Everyone, what we are going to do it today? Let me just review it, right? Just give me a moment. Let me just make it easy for you. So we are going to create a source lakehouse. Inside the lakehouse, you will see two different sections because it is stored unstructured and structured data. My CSV file is unstructured. I will save those CSV files inside the file section. Probably we can create a different folder there. Yeah. And once we have those files uploaded, so you can say this is a landing lakehouse where we are getting the sales files directly, right? Customer file will be inside the customer folder. Sales files will be inside the sales folder. Inside the sales folder, you are getting daily sales files, right? Now, these files should go inside the destination. Sorry, my mistake. This is not source, guys. This is destination, actually. This is destination. I was just thinking and writing, right? This is destination, actually. So these files should go inside the destination, but we are not copying it, right? We are creating only shortcuts. Shortcuts means the link to the file, not the file itself. So you will be having the link inside the destination, not the entire file will be there. Getting point? And why? It will save the cost, it will save the space. It is just a link, nothing else. Getting point? The benefits of the link? Yeah, the shortcuts. So with the help of the shortcut, we will be having the file here in the destination. Then inside the destination, we will be creating the notebooks to create the bronze customer table, to create the bronze sales table. Once it is ready, now we have to create another notebook which actually performs some transformation over the bronze data to create the silver layer or silver tables. Once we have those silver tables ready, Then we are going to create a data warehouse inside the same workspace, and that data warehouse will have these type of tables there. Once these tables are created, we are going back to the notebook, writing our PySpark code there to push that data inside this table. Yeah. Once this table have the data, we are going to the Power BI and pull that data inside the Power BI and create some visuals. Is it clear, guys? Any question? Anyone? So I'm not going to draw anything now. We are directly going to the fabric and see there, right, and work there. Okay, guys, so please go inside your fabric environment. I'm just closing this, guys. Anyone has any question? Okay, let me just leave it as is. Just give one, guys. Let me just okay. Let it be right. Okay. So who is asking that you do not have or you cannot see your lake house? Who is asking?
Me, sir.
Nitesh. Okay. So Nitesh, here is your folder.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So when you create your lake house, right? Just click on new item. It asks you what you want to create. Take the lake house. People are working on data flow. I can see.
No, like I want ask that yesterday I created a lake house, but
I can see people are working on pipeline and data flow. That's a good sign. I like it. Okay, so you have created. Can you please tell me the name of your lake house?
sir, it is lakes underscore house score maybe sales.
Okay. Did you create inside your folder or it was
No, sir,
outside the folder?
I created inside my folder.
Then it should not be go anywhere. Yeah, it should be there inside your folder.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you please go ahead and create once again and let me know if it is showing there or not?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go ahead and create that. So, okay. Who has created this silver load? This is me itself. I think this is me. Yeah. So let me just delete it because I give this type of name, right? Guys, whenever you create a notebook, it will also create a notebook one. So please delete the notebook one that is not needed because it is just you have created, right? Just like when you create a file, it creates an untitled file, and you will save as you save with a proper name. So your untitled one file is still existing in the same way, right? Notebook one is existing. Just delete this. Okay. Go inside your folder. Create the very first thing that is your source lakehouse. Click on new item, create the lakehouse, give a proper name. So I will say, let's say LH source, and that's it. Yeah, because this will contain customer and sales, both the files, right? Okay, create it. Always focus on this location. If it is not showing the full location, it will be created outside your folder. Yeah. And it is this, if it is the scenario, you can go back to the workspace and move this inside your folder. Yeah. Sometimes it happens that you will see. Okay, let me just go. Come on. Here. Yeah. So right now it is showing me here. Sometimes it will show you here. If it is, then you can just, you have three dots there. Just click there and it will show you the move to. Just click on move to and it will show you the folder. Select your folder and it will move there, right? So do not leave anything outside the folder. If you see anything outside the folder created by you, please move it inside your folder. Now, okay guys, one thing more. If you are working in the same workspace and you are creating the lake house or warehouse or notebook or data pipeline, whatever you are creating, try to give the unique name. Otherwise, what will happen when you are selecting, it will show the same name again and again, and you will be confused which one is for you, right? However, you can see the owner name. It shows me that, okay, I have created it, right? But I will give you a good tip is that please add something here which can indicate, okay, it is created by you itself, right? Maybe you can give your name. As of now, it is not recommended from the best practices, but as of now, for practice purpose, you can add something, yeah, your initial name, or let's say like Sahabe Alam, so I will add SB, yeah. And if I'm Harish Gupta, I will add HG, something like that. So it will be identified, okay, this is created by me, yeah. Clear, guys? Okay, so we have the lake house created. Whenever you create the lake house, it also create the SQL endpoint. And why it is? So that you can run your SQL queries over there. So this is the SQL endpoint actually, yeah. Yeah, okay. If you see, it says SQL analytics endpoint, right? So go inside your lake house. Inside the files, you will see two sections. One is table, second one is files. Inside the files, click on the three dots, create a new subfolder. Yeah. And say this folder like customer created. Okay, then create another folder, sales, created. Now go inside the customer folder. Okay, just click there. Guys, there are two ways to upload the files, right? You can go here and upload the files. You can also go here and upload the files, but both have different impact. Understand it, how it works. When I click here and click on upload files, just see what it shows there. Just see the path. This is the path. Can you see this? Everyone, can anyone confirm you are able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It says that file will be saved inside the file section. It's not reaching inside my folder. That's the reason I never recommend to get the file from here. You are here, if you see, inside the customer. Now you should get from here. When you click here, it will show you the full path till customer. Now it will save the uploaded file inside the customer folder. Now I will go ahead and save the file.
Harish, can you share the file on the chat?
Okay, sorry, if I didn't share it, I will share it definitely. Oh, where is the file, man? Okay, this one. I'm sharing it, right? I'm sharing it. Okay, and then just give a moment. Let me just upload it, then I will share it. You can also upload it. Okay, so I'm going to share you the same file over the chat. Please go ahead and copy it, right? Oh, sorry, take it in your system.
Harish,
Yeah.
is it the first lab practice on
Yes.
Fabric?
In the Fabric. Oh, sorry. Yeah, in the Fabric. Yeah.
Okay, I just set up my Fabric account.
Didn't you set up now till now?
Yeah, I just set up my account and I am ready to practice. So I am creating the
You should be able to see the workspace when you log into the Fabric. You should be able to see the workspace. That is what is the name of workspace? that is fabric batch 21.
Yes.
Yeah. Please go inside that and you should be able to see your name folder there. Guys, did you get both the files? Please confirm me.
Yes. Like, so you shared the Excel file on chat?
Yes, please go to the chat of Zoom and pull the file from there.
Okay, okay.
Can you,
Okay,
Harish,
yeah,
can you go to back?
yeah, sure, I can. So I will go to here and I will go to here. Yeah, let me know.
No, no, go to the same, but next. Only one time next. Yes.
Okay, here.
I can see there are a hierarchy. Okay. If suppose I click on top link, so it take me on the different screen. If I click on the below link, below hierarchy, yes,
This
so
one.
it takes me on the same different screen. What is the difference?
Yes, you are saying about this and this,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Yeah. So this is Lakehouse. This is the SQL endpoint. Okay, whenever you create a Lakehouse, there are two things. One is file section, second one is tables, right? Yeah, let me
Yes,
just show
yes.
you. This is the file tables and this is the file section. Now, for file section, you can upload the files, right? But for the table section, you need somewhere to write the SQL.
I'm not talking about this part. Go to back.
Okay, let me just go back. Come on. I'm out. Just give a moment. Let me go inside. Come on. Okay, I will go again there. Yes. Now tell me.
Now there are two link here. Okay.
Hmm.
Sublink and main link. If I click on the sublink, it takes me on different page. If I click on the downlink, so it takes me on different. Can you
Correct.
click here? Click
Correct.
here.
Correct. What is your question?
What is the difference?
That is I was just explaining that you need a place where you can write your SQL query,
Okay,
and
okay.
this is the place.
So right
This
now we have to click on the top link, right?
yes, the
To
Lakehouse is
upload
a
the file.
Lakehouse is a folder where you have two things. One is tables, second one is files. Inside file, you can upload the files, but inside table section, when you have the tables, how you are going to access those tables? You need the SQL editor there to write the query, and this is the SQL editor.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, here you can write the query for your, you can see when you click on a SQL endpoint, it will show you the schema. It will show you all the schema, whatever you created. Inside the schema, you can have tables, views, functions, store procedures. You can just go ahead and write the query there, right? You have the new query section. You can just write the query there. Just click there, write your SQL statement. Is it clear
Harish,
now?
Okay. Yeah, yes. Go ahead.
Yeah, that is
Harish,
the reason, I was just explaining those things. Yeah. So, is it clear,
yeah,
guys, everyone?
yeah. Harish, one more thing.
Yeah.
In my folder, if I create the new lake house, so LH underscore source is I am typing this I am giving
Maybe
this name. So the error comes another lake house with the same name already
yes.
exists in the workspace.
That is the reason I was saying that please add something unique for you. So just
Oh,
add underscore.
huh.
You have the name like
Subhas,
Subhas. So I will not say take it SB because SB can also refer to Sahabe Alam. So you can just take
SU.
first and the first letter of your first name, the first letter of your last name. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, so make
okay.
it unique, guys. Maybe one, two, three, something like that. You should understand, okay, this is being created by this person. Because when we are going to select the lake house or the files or something like that, right, it will show all of them, and then you will be confused which one is for you. Yeah,
Yes.
please give the unique name there. Okay.
I have uploaded the file, but not showing the under the file section.
Did you upload it?
Yes.
You create the customer folder and sales folder?
Okay, first I need to create the folder. Okay.
No, it is not needed, but it is recommended, right? If you have uploaded directly from here, just click here and upload the file directly. It will be uploaded inside the file section directly. You will see, if you click on files, you will see the files there. This time it is folder, but you can also see the files there.
And how we can create the new folder?
Very simple. Just you click on the files folder, it will be green. On this you have 3 dots. Click there, and here you have new subfolder.
Okay.
Just click there and create the folder there. See, again I will say, from best practice point of view, please organize your data in a proper shape. Otherwise, it will be challenging when you have a lot of data there. Yeah, it is just a simple task which we are performing. In real time, we have too many things. It's just messy, right? If you're not organizing it from the scratch, you will be struggling in the later stage and spending the time on unnecessary findings and unnecessary things which is not required actually.
I have created both a folder.
Please upload your customer files there, customer and sales files there. Go inside the folder, click on the folder, and when you click on the folder, you will be having,
Yeah.
come on, you will be having upload files there.
Yeah.
Yeah, the upload files.
And in the customer folder, which file I need to upload? Both of file? You shared the 2 file, na?
Yes, inside customer, upload customer CSV. Inside sales, upload sales CSV.
Okay.
So files I cannot see on chat.
Say again.
The files I cannot see in chat, sir.
I have shared it.
Oh, I can see error. This content can't be viewed here.
Is it there? I can see. Can't you see that? It is there.
No, sir, I cannot see. Yeah, now it came. Nitesh
Nitesh has shared that. Okay. Please
Yeah.
share if it is not there. Let me know if we're still struggling. I can share it.
So, Harish, I have one question. As per the definition, Fabric creates a one copy of the data, right?
Yes.
But as per your architecture, I can see I am uploading the data first in the source lakehouse, after that destination lakehouse, and finally warehouse.
Yeah.
So data is moving from here to there, and we are creating a multiple copies. So definition is wrong.
No copies. No copies. Only shortcuts. The link to the original data. No copies.
You are saying that we are moving a required data in the transform form.
Yes, that virtual. It is virtual data, right? It is not the physical data which is moving. It is just virtual when you are transforming in the notebook, right? In the destination lakehouse, you will not have the physical copy. It will only have the shortcuts. It will only have the link, just like hyperlink. You create the hyperlink. You do not copy the data. You create the link. When anybody click on the link, it's connect with the original data, with the physical data, right? Same way, we will create the shortcuts inside the destination lakehouse. It will look like a file, but it is not a file. It's a link only.
So right now we have created the virtual link. This is not physical data in Lakehouse, source Lakehouse.
The landing lake house
Mm-hmm.
has the physical data.
Okay, okay.
The destination will be having only shortcuts.
Okay.
You can see, you can move it there. It depends, you can move it there, but to have a single, see, if I go back to your question again, right, that you say, okay, we also have the copy of the data inside the source lake house, then we are copying this data inside the destination lake house. So we have two copies of the data, right?
Yes.
As of now, right? The destination lake house will have the appended data. If you go another scenario, right? Okay, the first thing, the source lakehouse will be having daily refresh data. That is one scenario. Another scenario can be in source lakehouse, you are taking, maybe you have created some an architecture like you are creating 1 month's data there, daily files. When the month is over, you are taking the backup or archiving these files to the archive workspace, and your destination lakehouse only having your shortcuts. So if I say how you should go, you should be creating the shortcuts, but when you do not need the historical original data. If you need the historical original data, you have to append the data somewhere and take the backup of that data. So it depends what is the requirement and how you are implementing it, and that is the work of data architect. Yeah. So when you are providing the solution, you have to ask the question to the customer how and what data they want to manage, and they want to see the historical trend, and if yes, how long. Sometimes customer says I need my historical trends for last 3 years. Sometimes they say okay, we just need only for 15 months, 14 months, 16 months. So it depends on the requirement how you are going to implement those things. So you can archive it, you can create the backup, you can also create the link, because see, the link is only link, it is not having the physical data. So if you are replacing your old data, right, I mean to say in the source you are replacing the old data with the new, what will happen? The link will be refreshed and it will have only new data. However, in anyhow, we are appending the data in the gold layer, right? So your gold table will always be up to date, but it is a final data, it is not the original data. So if you want to keep the original data for other people also to access it, you have to place it somewhere, and that can be your source lakehouse to the archive or source to destination then archive. Getting my point? There are many ways. Yeah, it depends on the scenario and depends on the requirement, right? As of now, what we are working, we are taking a scenario where we say, okay, we are daily getting a single sales file inside my landing lake house, that is source lake house, and we need to transform this data and append this data to my gold layer with the final transformation. Yeah, gold table in the warehouse. So we do not keeping anything anywhere. The historical data will be presented inside the gold table, but remember that will be final data. So if you need any information on the original data, and that will be historical, you will not be able to access that. Getting my point, Yati, here?
Yes, getting your point.
Okay, guys. So I hope everybody has done it. Anyone?
Yes, done.
Okay, so now we have source ready. We need to create the destination lakehouse. So I'm going back to workspace and trying to create a destination lakehouse right here. So let me just close this one. This is, I do not need that. Let me delete everything. Except design. Why? It's me, man. Okay, so Lakehouse source is created. If you want to rename it, just click there and it should be, just give me a moment. Let me just, no, it is not notebook SQL endpoint. I just need to do one thing. Just give me a moment. Just wanted to rename it so that I can also, find it for me. Come on. Yeah, that is renamed. However, it's not showing here. Now it's refreshing. Yeah, it is now HG, right? Okay, so now I'm going back to my folder once again and creating a new item that will be LG destination HG, right? So I will create that. Okay. LH, that is Lakehouse destination. I will say HG. This is my location. I will create it. Okay, so here in the file section, you can create again, the subfolder. However, if you need it to create it, I will say let's create it, right? So customer, then I will say again, new subfolder, then sales, right? Okay. Now, click on the customer folder and you will see a new shortcuts. Just click there. Okay, and when it says new shortcuts, you will see to create the shortcuts for different storage. As of now, we are working in the fabric. So we will work on the internal storage, that is one layer. So that is only single layer, right? So just click there. Now, when you see here, it will show all of the lake houses inside that workspace. And you people are working on the same workspace. So it's showing me all of them. Can you see here, guys, now?
Yes.
Yeah, and that is the reason I was saying, please do not give the same name. Otherwise, what will happen? You will be struggling. Okay, which workspace, lake house you have created. So I have given this. So it is saying me select the data source type. So I have this lake house. This is actually source lake house. Create next. Now it will show me the section, right? Tables or files. So I have files. I have customer, I have sales. So it is for customer only. So I'll just create it. Click on customer. Just click there. It says to transform. No, I do not need to transform here. I will just say skip. You can transform it here, but that is not needed as now. Click there. Now it will say create the shortcuts, right? Just create it. Yeah. So now if you click on the customer, this is the actually shortcuts. If you see, it shows me customer.csv. But remember, this is not the original file. It is just a shortcut. If you see here, it's just a shortcut, right? Same will go here on the sales. Just click on there, click on new shortcuts, click on one lake, click on source lake house, click on next, click on file section, select sales folder, click on next, click escape, click create. Now, so I have both the file here, right? Not the file, it's a shortcut. Is it clear, guys?
You have, sir,
Everyone?
yes. You have pulled the both data from source to destination by creating shortcut.
Yes. So we have not pulled the data as of now. We just created the link to the file.
Okay.
Yeah. Data is not there. It is not a physical data.
So Harish, earlier we created the lake house, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So to create the destination lake house, we need to click on the same lake house.
No, you have to go back to your folder, right? And inside the folder, you will click on new item, then lake house, then give the name of the lake house for destination.
Same thing I am asking. We have to create
two lake houses.
Source, two lake houses.
Yes, two lake houses.
By clicking on the same link.
No, see, the source will be only landing lake house where you have the source data. Yeah. Destination, we are going
to create the link. We have
data.
to create the link. We have to create the shortcut only.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Harish, I am not able to create this shortcut. Like I'm not getting the next option when I select the shortcut.
Can you work with me? Can you see the customer folder in the destination lake house?
Yes.
Okay.
Customer folder. Just a minute. Files under customer.
Yeah.
No. I need to prepare these folders here also.
See, it depends. If you do not want, you can just directly go to the file and click there, and you can click on new shortcuts. But I will say, please organize the data. So should create the customer and the sales folder.
Okay, created. Yes, I have created the customer folder.
Okay. Now you will see the three dots there in front of the name of the folder. Click there and click on new shortcuts.
Okay, new shortcut. Yes. Fabric, one lake house. Yes, clicked.
You click on new shortcuts.
Yes.
It will open another dialog box where you can click on the source. So you have the one lake. Inside Fabric, you have only single source, that is one lake.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just click on one lake, then you will see all of the lake houses.
Yes.
Whatever you have created, destination, everything, right? You just have to click your own source lake house where you have uploaded the files.
So currently I am in destination lake house. So I need to click the destination SK.
See, you are already in destination, right? So you need to create the shortcut to the source.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Get it. Yes. And after this, I have the new shortcut like tables and files.
Tables and files are the section of the lakehouse. Yeah. Just like subfolders, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Inside files, you have shortcuts for customer and for the sales.
Can I share my screen for a while?
Yeah, you can. If you're struggling, please share it. I will guide you.
Okay.
Nitesh, Chandni, are you doing the same thing?
Yes, sir. I follow the process. It is in.
Yes, sir.
I am here.
Right. Now, you can click on the checkbox in front of customer. Checkbox. Yeah. No, checkbox. You have just this is Please click on next. Okay, click on skip. You do not need to transform anything.
Yes.
Click on create.
Okay.
Now it is created. Now same will go for the sales as well. Hold on. You have created the customer and sales folder, but you are creating the shortcuts out of the box. I mean to say outside of the folder. Why?
I don't know.
Just delete this. Delete this. Yeah. Click on your folder first. Yeah. Then click on the new shortcuts.
Okay.
Then click. Yeah. Select.
Customer.
Checkbox. No. Click on checkbox.
Okay.
See, you just understand, guys. You are not linking with the files. You are linking with the folder instead, right? So whatever inside the folder, it will create the link to that folder.
Understand. Done.
It's easy, man, and it's faster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Is it okay? Everybody on the same platform, same page?
Thank you.
Okay, guys. So now till now we have created the shortcuts. So we can access our source files. What next? We need to create the bronze layer, and that could be created with the help of the notebook. And that notebook should be residing inside the destination lake house. Yeah. Or I can say not the destination lake house, but it should be there, right? Let me just go back there. Okay, let me just go back. Let me just close everything. Come on. Just give me one, guys. Make it hide. There. Okay, here. Yeah. So now this is my destination. Yeah. So here, when you click inside destination lake house, just give a moment. There should be the multi-model. Why not showing them? Come on, add new data agent. Why not showing me the notebook option there? Just give me, guys. Let me just find out. There should be here should be an option. Let me just see if that's creating there. New item. Guys, can you please do one thing? Can you go inside your destination lake house and see? Okay. There should be a something like this. You know, new semantic model. There should be a open notebook, right?
No.
Why are showing that? Should be inside the lake house. If I just go, it should just give one try. Because it is not an item, right? It's a notebook, right? It should not be here. It's not a service like that. It is there, but it is just outside my lake house. Then okay, do one thing. Let's do from here if it is possible, because it should be showing there. Not sure why it's not showing there. It should be inside the lake house. Okay, I will just move this to okay. This is notebook should be linked with the lake house, but it's not linking right now. Why? Let me just create that and then I will just show you something. Given a name like let's say one bronze node. It's not linked up, right? From one letter to another. Just give me, guys. I'm just trying to read something. Yeah. Because what is happening generally when you create the lake house, inside the lake house you will see, here you have the buttons, right? You will see the open notebook button. When you click on the drop down, it will show you a new notebook. And I'm not sure why it's not showing right now. It should be showing. So I just went from the other way around, that we have created a notebook and then I have attached it to my destination lake house. It should be similar to that, right? I'm not sure why it's not showing. Let me just give here and just see if I'm able to read the file. Just give a moment. Yeah. Let's say customer df equals to spark dot read dot csv, sorry, not csv, I will just say format as of now, csv. Then probably we can just say like this, and then dot option should be header, header header. It should be true. Then let's load it. Dot load. Okay, so here we have to give the path, right? So inside the files, we have customer, right? Let's read it. Let's see if it's reading or not. Just read it. So it will start the Spark engine. It's just connecting and it will start the Spark engine in a second. Let's go on this. We should read it. Why not read it?
Can you zoom your screen a little bit? Not visible at all.
Just human, guys. I think just human. My mouse battery is down. Just give a moment. Let me just connect the charger. Just give a moment. Yep. Yeah, you're saying something. Sorry.
No.
Not able to read that. Come on. Oh, I'm just outside. Guys, nobody can see the destination, sorry, the notebook inside the destination Lakehouse. What is happening when you create the notebook inside the destination Lakehouse, right? It is already connected, and then it infers the schema of the file directly. So, okay, this should be working, but it's not able to read that in the schema. Generally, okay, just give a moment. Let me also see. Should be true.
So there is an option like import notebook in my Lakehouse.
Import notebook.
Yes, sir.
You should have to create a new notebook, right?
The layout is changed in
Yeah,
Fabric.
it's actually, Microsoft has different, it's just improving the day by day, right? So things are getting changed every time.
Yeah.
Ah,
Basically, you have tabs front of Fabric, like where we are working, like IH destination or source or yeah, uh, but we have the tabs under the workspace left hand side.
okay, so there was an issue with the reading the folder actually. I thought that this shortcut will be read it directly, but now we need to give the shortcut. It is just a shortcut folder, right? So it is also containing as a folder. So you also have to give the folder name here, right? So it is just a folder and subfolder right here. So I've just given this. Let me just read it, display it actually. Yeah. Let's see if it's displaying customer data. What is reading them? Because it should read the header also. I'm just worrying about that. Okay. Yeah, it's reading that. Index, customer ID, first name, last name, company, city, customer, country. Okay. Okay, guys. So now you can go ahead and create your notebook. If it is not there, let me just go do it from the scratch, right? So I was just trying something. Now it's working. So I will just go there. Come on, let's go there inside the workspace, inside my folder. You can see this notebook there. However, this notebook should be inside the destination lakehouse, but it is attached, right? So don't worry if you're not able to create from there. Click on the new item and click on the notebook. Sorry, type notebook there. You will find the just create it.
So new item, after that new folder, and then import, there is option, and that notebook is there.
How the import? This is import. You are saying about here?
Yes.
Yeah. So see, it says from your computer, right? So it's just importing your notebook, or you have already created the notebook. Yeah.
Okay.
So it is saying like that. So you don't have to import, you have to create a new notebook. So click on new item. Yeah. Click on new item. I'm guiding you. Click on new item. Then find the notebook there. If it is not listed, if it is listed here, you can directly click here. Otherwise, you can find it, right? Notebook, right? Sorry. Then click on the notebook. Now give the name to the notebook. Yeah? Please give the proper name as I told you earlier. So let's say I have given the name as 01 because we are creating the bronze layer. So we will say bronze, let's say HG. Yeah, something like that. So let's give a proper name there. or you can also say load HG, something like that. If you want, you can give your name, yeah, and then I will create it. Now it is not attached as of now. You have to attach it, right? So on the left hand side in the Explorer, you will see add data items. Click there, and from One Lake catalog, just click there and select your source lakehouse. Sorry, I'm sorry, destination lakehouse, because it should be attached to the destination lakehouse. I have two source lakehouse.
Harish, there is an option available. You can create the notebook within the destination lakehouse. I have created.
Okay, you have that?
Yes.
I'm not sure why it is not showing me and other people, and it is showing for you. Okay.
Please go to the destination lakehouse. Let me check if this is available on your screen or not.
Maybe I have shared it and you have activated your own trial space. That can be a scenario, right? Okay, that can be a scenario. If I go there, right, it should be available here.
Yes, sir. Go to the right. Go to the right.
Sorry?
Go to the right.
Here.
Right.
Right means okay, here.
Yes. Analyze with notebook available.
Okay, it just placed here. Okay, it just moved
Wow.
here.
New
No,
notebook.
it was just coming here, and now it is moving here. I'm sorry, guys. Maybe something is updated now. Yeah. Every time we have a new update, in every month even we have a new update. So probably it is updated. Earlier we have a button here, right? Just click there and you can click on open, or because it is not showing me the open option here. Can you see? It's not showing me the open. Here, when we have the button here, it has dropped down. When you click there, it shows open and new. This time it says existing, not open, right? It says existing and new. So they have just improvised it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, my bad on this. I'm sorry for this. Yeah. Now, thank you, Yati. You just got it. Yeah. So you can create from here as well. And if you create from here, it will be directly on your lake house. So you don't have to attach it. But as of now, if you are not finding, you can directly create with the new item and attach it, right? You can attach it. It should be like this. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So, Yati, did you type the code there?
No. Can you
No.
ping me code?
Okay, now, so the very first thing which we have to do is to read the customer file and read the sales file. Both the files we have to read first from the source, right? So I have already created the shortcut there. So we will reading from the shortcuts. One thing you have to remember, when you are giving the path inside the PySpark, you have to use the / for the folders, right? In the Windows, we use / for the path, but in the web or inside the cloud or inside the PySpark, you have to use the / sorry. Yeah, okay, guys. So create the first data frame. Data frame is a virtual table, yeah, matrix, which will store your data virtually. So create the first data frame. Yeah, you can also give the comment like read customer data. Better always give the comments. Yeah? Then read it. Yeah. So create the first data frame here, and that will be customer df. I give name as a customer df so that I understand, okay, this is the customer data frame. Now Spark is responsible to read your file, and format would be CSV. You can directly type from here as well, like option if you want, but you know, better to for readability, better if you give the space and use / press enter. So it will be going to new line. Yeah, and give a one tab there, then type option. Inside option, we have to give to read it header, and then it should be true. Otherwise, what will happen? It will not read the header. Let me just show you something. If I directly load it, right? If I directly load it, so inside load, you have to give the files, that is your file section. Inside that you have the folder customer. Inside that you have the shortcut, that is customer. Now, if I run it, it should run very first thing. The second thing, it should only show the data, but header will not be, as expected. So if I just click there, let me just show you. It will start the session, Spark session. It just started. Okay, now it reads it. Now, if you want to see what it actually has read, just say display. Inside display, give the data frame name. So we have customer DF. Now you see, can you focus on the headers here? ABC dash C0, column 0, column 1, column 2, column 3. Can you see? It's not reading the header. So if you're writing it back to the table, it will not write the header there. It will write as is. C5, C1, C4, C3, something like that. And that is incorrect, right? So you have to give an instruction here as an option to read the header. Yeah. So header should be always true. There is also an option called schema, infer schema. That means it should inherit the schema from the table itself. So I was just trying to give it. Sometimes, if you are, by default it read it, but sometimes it does not, right? Let me just see. Now it's inferring this, so it's working. You should actually force it to infer the schema, so it will read the data as is from the file, but also it will understand what type of data is there. So if you see, it shows me index as in 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is text, this is text, this is text. So if I just go a little bit down and go on a column which actually has a number, yeah, so we do not have. This is a customer, right? So when we are using the sales, then you can see the numbers column there. As of now, it only had the index column as a number, right? Yeah. The rest all are as a text column. Is it clear, guys? Till now, are you working with me?
Yes, I am
Sir,
working with you.
the code
Okay.
you are writing, it is a Python code, right?
Exactly. This is Python. If you see here, it shows PySpark Python.
Okay,
If you
so
want, you
this
can
is the
change
first
it.
time actually appearing. Do we need to learn the basic Python also? Because the concept of this code I'm getting first time. So this is
If
quite
I say
unfamiliar.
yes, if I say yes, you should also learn the basic Python to understand how the code is being written, right? Because the basic Python actually says how you should give the new line character, how you should give the indentation. That is very much important. This is case sensitive. So what should be in the small letter, what should be in the capital letter, right? So you should understand. So yes, basic, not the the whole Python, just basic Python, and rest of the transformation code. I'm just telling you, it is just first step for the transformation. We will be doing the more complex transformation in the later stage. Yeah, so you will learn all those code as well. And don't worry, I will create something for you guys which will cover almost everything from the point of Python codes for creating the notebooks. Clear?
Exactly. At least the basic requirement we can
Yeah.
understand.
Yeah, I will create a PDF for you guys. You can just read it and understand it. Probably that will help you to write the code on the Python. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. I will try to do something for you. Don't worry. So is that clear now? Till now? Anybody? Any question?
Yeah, it's clear now.
So why we are reading directly from the shortcuts? So that we do not have that duplication. The very first thing, single source of truth, your data that is stored inside the source lakehouse, no copy. It reduces the cost and you have the real-time access with the source data. Yep. Okay. Now, when you read it, what you have to do? Okay. So we can do in a two ways, right? Once I have read the customer DF, I can also read the sales as well, and then create the bronze tables, or you can directly read it and create it. I'm going to say I can just give the instruction here to create the bronze table for the customer. Then I read the sales, then give the instruction to the to create the sales table there, sales bronze table there, right? Yeah, we can go anywhere. So it is not recommended that you should go like this. Better to read the data frame first and then write it, right? So let's create another data frame that will actually read it, right? So let's say sales DF. Yeah. Okay. So I can also say like this. I will just copy this comment from here, paste it from here, read sales data. Sorry, sales data. Yeah. Okay. Then I will say, come on, Spark dot read dot format. When you type 2 or 3 times, it will be, memorizing you, right? So CSV, then a new line, then give a tab, option, again. See, for this you can copy and paste, but I will recommend to write it so that you will be having the practice to write it, right? Header, true, and probably option. Once again, you can give the info schema, true, and now the time is to load.
Harish, my notebook within destination folder, Lakehouse. So I am trying to save it, but it is not giving the option to save under the destination Lakehouse. It is giving the option to save under the workspace.
And the notebook you are saying?
Yes.
Yeah, notebook is a part of workspace, right? All these are actually items which you are creating inside the workspace. It is attached to the lake house, but it is a part of notebook. So you should be saving your notebook inside your folder. That's it. Yeah. It is not going, because lake house is not a folder actually, not the physical folder, right? Where you are placing that. Yeah.
Okay.
So files, then we have sales, then we have sales. Should be sales, right? Let me just see. Yeah, it's sales. So first is your folder, subfolder, and then you have shortcuts, right? Now, it should be working fine. Let's see. If it generates error, we have to fix it. Okay, guys. So no errors. 4 of 4 succeeded. I will go back to my destination lake house. As of now, inside DBO, we do not have anything. We will try to create a schema also here. Yeah, these are the file section. We have the shortcuts there. We have already written the code for that to read it. Now we have to create the code to create the schema, and then inside that write your tables.
Can you ping me the both of the notebook on the chat?
This one?
Yes, sir.
You need the code?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you find the code, please?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys. So now the next action is to write the data which you have read to the where? To the bronze table. So first we need to create the schema. So generally, because this notebook will work every time. Yeah. Whenever it will be running, you will be scheduling it. When it will be running, what will happen? It will be replacing the older things, right? With the new things. Yeah. So if you are creating the schema without checking the schema, it will try to create the same schema, which is already existing. Next time, I'm going to say next time. First time it will work. Next time it will generate the error because the schema is already there and you want to create the same schema again. So you have to check whether your schema is existing or not. So first we will say spark, spark dot SQL. This time we are using SQL, right? Oh, sorry, my mistake. I'm not showing that. Okay, SQL. It should be showing me. Okay. Now create schema if not exist. Now give the schema name. So I will say sales schema, a simple schema, sales schema. Yeah, sales. And let's say SC schema. Yeah. So what will happen? It will check if schema is already there. It will not create it. If it is not there, then it will create it. Is it clear, guys? Till now?
Yes, Harish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, once it is created, now the time is to write your data there. Yep. So, okay. So let's write the data. Okay. So I will just say okay. So very first thing is customer df dot write. Oh, sorry. Write dot mode should be overwrite always because you have to replace the older data. Then give a new line and say save as. Give the table name. Okay, so first schema name, right? So first schema, then table, right? So we will say sales SC dot the table name bronze customer. Clear? And let's also write the code for the sales as well. Sales df dot write dot mode. Sorry, mode should be override. Dot save as. Again schema name. Sorry, sales SC dot bronze sales. Yeah. Okay. Should we try? Should we try to run it, guys? Who all are working with me?
I am.
Okay. So who all are there actually? Subhash is there, Yatinder is there, Nitesh is there, Pintu is there, and Sahabi Alam. Subha, so is not there. Okay, no worry. So, Sahabi Alam, are you with me?
Yes, I have created the all folders. Just I need to write this SQL code.
Okay. Yati,
Yes, so I'm fancy.
When I trying to save the notebook, it's creating a multiple copy of the notebook. It is not saving the replacing the existing notebook.
is that you have multiple copies? I'm sorry. You
I'm
okay,
trying.
okay, okay. You don't have
I'm
to save it. Okay,
I'm
you were
trying
saying,
to save notebook, but it is not giving the option to replace the existing notebook. It is creating the new notebook.
yes, it will be because it is automatically saved. You don't have to save it.
Okay.
First time you have to save and give the name, then you don't have to save it. It's automated save because it's over the cloud, right?
Okay.
Yeah? So you don't have to save it. It will be saved automatically. Yeah. So let me just run it. So now, if you see our code successfully running, oh, it has some error. Default.fabric pass cannot be found. Verify the spelling. Okay, probably we have done something incorrect, but it is sales SC. Oh, can you see? Yes, always remember,
Yeah.
do not do a silly mistakes, right? Okay, so now we have created the bronze layer. Just go to your destination lake house, yeah, and if you do not able to see it, just refresh it, right? Probably can I just refresh it? Let me just close it down, right? I will go back to workspace, and inside my destination lake house. Why not showing me? The notebook performs well.
Probably it is refreshing.
Sometimes it takes time.
Yeah.
Sometimes, but should be there. Let me just refresh the whole browser. It is source, right? I need to go to the destination. Yep, it is there now. Now this is the schema. If you see sales SC, and inside that you have the bronze table. This is the bronze customer and this is the bronze sales. If you click on the bronze customer, you can see the data inside. You can see. So there are two options to see it: file view or table view. If you click on the file view, it will show like this. So if you see the metadata here, there, yeah, it is have some metadata information, delta log, yeah. So we have everything, and then you can see the data as well. It's reading the data perfectly, right? Yeah. Now you can use the SQL endpoint to write your query. You can now access the data from the SQL. That is, let's go back. Yeah, you remember, Yati, you were asking about the another point, another thing. So click here, and you have SQL endpoint. Just click there. You will see your schema there, and you will see your schema there, and the tables also there. Now I can go here and write the query. Select.
Harish, can
Yeah,
you share the code once, please?
yeah.
Notebook code.
So So just give sales sc dot let's say customer. Okay, so I'm just reading top 10. Yep. What happened? Incorrect sentence name. Why? Oh, sorry, my mistake. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, can you see? Now we have top 10 values or sort of top 10 rows, I can say, from the customer table. Yeah, it just shows top 10. Yeah, so similar, you can read it from the sales as well. Yeah, can you see? You can write anything, right? Anything. You can segregate it or you can write anything. So now you can access your bronze table directly with the help of the SQL endpoint. And this is the use of the SQL endpoint. Yati, is that answer your question? Yati, are you there? Okay, maybe Yati is busy. So we have created our first notebook to load the data from Source Lakehouse to the bronze table. Yeah. Someone wants this code. I have just shared over the chat.
Okay.
Yati, are you there? Guys,
Yes.
who all are there? Yati is on mute. Nitesh,
Sir, yes, sir.
have you done it? Show me
Sir, I have a query regarding this. My first step of my code is not working. I don't know why.
not working. What it says?
It's giving me a very lengthy error.
Okay, no worry. Stop.
It's also not working, sir.
Please share your screen.
Wait a minute. Can you see it?
Yes, I can. Okay, let's see what you have done. You says df underscore customers spark.read.format CSV. Okay, option HEADER header true, that is fine. Option info schema true, that should be fine. Load files customer. Okay, you have customer, then you have customer. Okay.
Because of this, it could be the possible because of this backlash.
No, this is new line character.
Can we? Is it correct?
New line character. This is new line character, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you do one thing? Can you go back to your lake house? Just let me check one thing.
Actually, I have created only one lake house, not the destination one, but the.
You have created only source.
Yes, sir. But
No worry, just hold on. If it is source, then it should still work, right?
yeah.
Okay. So you have created a source and you are trying to read, or you have created the source and then you have created the shortcut of the source itself.
No, sir. I followed the US step like files inside the customer. I've created the shortcut of customer, then sales.
And this is a source lake house.
Yes, means I have created only one lake house, not the destination one. Like you have created a two lake house.
Where are your files? I just wanted to see your files. No, your physical files. Where are these?
These are inside the this system in the download section.
Okay, so you are saying that inside the customer subfolder, you have a shortcut.
Yeah.
You have created a cyclic redundancy, right? Can you see here? You have the customer subfolder. Inside customer subfolder, you have the customer shortcut.
Yeah.
Inside customer shortcut, you have the CSV file, and you also have the shortcut again. Can you
Okay.
see?
Yeah.
Inside your customer shortcut, you also have a shortcut called customer. Can you click on that customer shortcut?
This.
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Can you see? It is redundant. It is just creating the cyclic redundancy. It is not going anywhere. It is just moving around. Yeah. So that is incorrect way, and that is the reason it's showing error. It's not able to understand. So do one thing: delete everything from here. Yeah.
Can I create one shortcut?
Delete this shortcut. Just delete your shortcut. Yes, delete it. If you want to work like that, you have this here. Just delete everything. Yeah, because it will create the issue.
This is okay now.
In your sales, can you click on sales shortcut? Can you click on the sales data CSV?
It's doing the same thing.
Now, what is happening? It is not able to read it. Why? Because you have deleted the other things, right? And it is interconnected. So just delete this. Delete both of them. Delete this one and upload your CSV file directly here.
Here.
Yeah, inside customer, you have already that?
Yeah.
Okay, now click on the file now. Now it's loading, right? Yeah. This is a file view. If you want to see the table view, you can click on the view and you can see the table view there.
Yeah.
Now it's reading, right? But remember, something is not good that I can see your column. Okay, let's see, do one thing. We will try to fix it up. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. I'm coming back. Okay. So now do one thing. Go back to your notebook. Okay. Inside your code, you have written files, then a folder customer. Just remove the last customer and the forward slash. Run it.
Okay. Okay.
Working?
Yeah.
Yeah, working?
Yes.
Though you have not followed the best practices, you have directly, reading from the source. Yeah, just remember that. So that's okay for your understanding, for your practice point of view. That's okay, but always try to follow the best practices, right? Do not work on the source data directly. Always work with the copy or link of the data. So if you create the destination, that would be much better. That's okay. You can practice it later on, right? But now your code is reading, right? So you do not have any issue with the code. It was just your folder cyclic redundancy matter, right? Okay. Anyone else, guys? Any issue?
Can I stop my screen?
Yeah, please stop screen sharing. Yati? Suhas, Pintu?
Yeah, my code is working fine.
Fine. So we have created forms. Guys, now we have to perform many, 4 or 5 transformation. So it will take time, maybe another 1 hour. Yeah, and we are already running behind the time, right? So it's 9:08. I think that is enough for today.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please practice these things. I know this is not enough for the entire week, but I will say just practice. In the next session, we will be performing the real-time transformation on the data. We will be creating the dimension tables from the data itself. Yeah. And then we'll creating data warehouse. We will be pushing the data there in the gold table. And with the help of the Power BI, we will be creating the visualization. Okay. So we will be doing very many things there in the next session. Yeah. So just practice on these things. For today's session, I think that's enough for today. Yeah. Just practice and let me know if you feel any issue or if you face any issue, you
Yes,
struggle
sir.
somewhere, just let me know. Yeah, Yati,
Sir, I do
you're
have
back.
a
Yeah. Yati, you're saying something?
Yeah, I have issue. Can I call you later?
Yeah, please share your screen.
No, no, I'm saying, can I call you later?
Issue with this one, this Lakehouse
Yes,
creation?
yes. I have some issues. No issue. I will, if you have time,
Yeah,
within.
we can, what we can do, let me just find some time in the evening. We will
Okay.
sit in the evening, right? That will be better?
Not evening, Monday, Tuesday is enough. Okay.
Okay, anytime, then anytime. See,
I need only 30 minutes only.
oh, that's fine, no worry. Probably tomorrow.
Actually, there is a problem with my system. Only one port is working, so it is getting down. And if I connect with the charger, I am not able to connect with the headset. Okay.
Oh, something related to your hardware, right?
Yes.
Okay, no worry. We will see it and we will fix it out.
Sir, regarding my problem, why I have created means how it created the cyclic redundancy according to you? Because I have followed the same step as you said, but
No,
still
but remember what you have done.
Mhm.
You have created a folder, right?
Mhm.
Okay, let me just show something for you. Let me just share the screen.
Okay.
Murali, I can draw something and let make you understand on that. So what you have done here, where is my pointer, man? Oh, that's great. Okay, so just give me a moment, guys. Let me just connect my pen. Actually, I have just disconnected because of my mouse was discharged. So, okay, let me just do it. Okay, so just understand it. So you have the file section. Yeah.
Mhm.
Inside file section, you have the customer folder.
Yeah.
Inside that, you have a file called customer.csv. You also have a shortcut called customer. Yeah. And you again creating a link to the customer CSV. So is that creating redundancy, cycle redundancy? Can you see this?
It's creating a
Yeah,
cycle.
it just going like this.
Mhm.
And that is the issue. It's creating the issue. Yeah, that is the main cause of the issue, right?
So, what should be the best practice?
Okay, so best practice should say
Mhm.
place the asset or place the things isolated. Yeah, the very first thing, and organized. So you should always have a source lake house. I will write. You should always have a destination lake house. Inside source, you should have the folder. Inside that folder, you should have the files.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
generally it is inside the files section. Yeah.
Mm.
And then you should have in destination, you should have shortcuts.
Not folders.
Shortcut to source. No, inside the folder, you should have the folders and then there. So let me just type like this. Just give me a moment. Customer,
Mhm.
then shortcut.
Mhm.
It should be folder. Yeah. And this shortcut should be linking to
Okay.
Not file exactly, it should be linking to the folder itself.
Okay.
Yeah, here, right? Something here.
So basically, when we created the source and the destination automatically fetch the means files when we created the shortcut inside the
Yes,
destination.
yes. With the help of the shortcut, you
Okay.
will create a link to your destination.
Destination. Okay.
Okay,
We
and then
don't
you
need
read from there.
we don't need to upload the data inside the destination.
No, that's not required. We have not done it, right?
Oh, yeah.
We have not done it. We have not copied this
Mm-hmm.
file to the destination. We have just created a link
Mm-hmm.
to the destination
Okay.
to read the source file. Sorry, created to the
Yeah.
source to read the source file.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got. I means I followed the wrong steps because I have not created the destination lakehouse.
Yeah. Otherwise, the second thing we have done, remove the shortcut part,
Mm-hmm.
have the file there in the source and read it directly from Spark.
Okay.
Read from Spark, right? You can directly read it. Then your destination part is not required, but that is not the best practice. Remember all this. You are directly working with the source data,
Mm-hmm.
and it is not recommended to work with the source data. Yeah, here
Yeah.
you have the link, so you are not directly working, you are working with the link, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that is the best practice.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
it's clear, guys? Everyone?
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sir, I want to say.
Yeah, please ask.
I'm sharing my screen, sir.
Okay, share.
So this one, getting an error. If suppose I'm removing this one, it's not working.
Indent. See, it says unexpected indent. So you have given indent unexpectedly. Why? Because you have given extra line between the codes. Remove your extra line.
Which one, sir? These ones?
These spaces.
No, not here. Just space. Just give the space. Give the space there. And post this / just press delete button.
Okay.
No, that is okay. Give the give the backslash, press right, give the space here. I'm giving the instruction. Now press your right arrow key.
Yes.
Press delete button. Where are you? Go
Okay,
back.
okay. Got it, sir.
Between two
Delete.
lines.
Yes.
Delete.
Like
Now
this. Yeah.
do the same thing for the next line as well, and do the third thing as the next line as well. See, Python is very sensitive in these types of formatting, right? Unnecessary indent or incorrect spellings or incorrect case statements, it will generate the error. Yeah, it's worked. 9 seconds, so just took 9 seconds, 687 milliseconds. Yep, that's working. You want to display it, just display customer DF, it will show you the data. Into?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can just
right.
You can enter.
No, it will give indentation error.
Not here. Indentation, you have to remove indentation. You have to remove the indentation. It is taking it, right? Indentation means you are inside. You are not inside. You are giving the instruction. So you have to remove the space before the display. Go back to the first column. Press backspace. Press backspace. Now type from here.
Okay.
Not the display.
Inside bracket, type customer DF. Start your bracket. type customer DF. Yes. And run the code. Okay, run the code. It should work. Yep.
Yeah,
That solves the issue.
okay.
Okay, so now guys, practice on these things, smaller things, but it will help you a lot, right? Okay, and I will see you in the next session. Till then, happy learning and enjoy your session. If you have any question, any concern, any query, you are just feel free to connect with me anytime.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Harish.
I'm stopping the recording.